Hello and hi everyone. So we will present about customer churn in bank service. Customer churn is refers on the behavior of bank customers who are more likely to leave the bank, which is close their bank account. This is our team members for this project.
First and foremost, what is customer churn? Customer churn is the percentage of customers that stop using bank service during a certain time frame. Actually, maintaining and satisfying existing customers is more profitable for the bank than constantly attracting new customers. In order to effectively control customer churn, it is really important to build an effective and accurate model of customer churn that can predict the most likely customers to cancel the card. Customer churn management aims to minimize customer attrition losses and retain high-value customers, thus maximizing profit.
Project M. This project is aimed to explore the trend of the customers that churn from the bank. By using this dataset, we could identify which categories are more likely to leave the bank, in other words, to close their bank account. So, the data analysis and visualization can help us to more easily detect the factors of the customer churn from the bank.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fitrusli. I will present scope of analysis. The data that we survey are gathered from the website. The data consists of 20 attribute and 10,127 dataset, and the data focus on the total number of customers leaving the bank, like churn the bank, by a few categories.
So from the data, we can create the objective for this data. First, to identify which type of customer that bank should target in order to maintain the relationship. Second, to evaluate the loyalty of the customers based on customers' characteristics. Next, to study the type of customers who will churn the bank. And lastly, to visualize the relationship between certain attributes.
First chart, total number of customers based on education level and gender. We can see that education level, we have 5 level, which is graduate, high school, uneducated, college, postgraduate, and doctorate. For every education level, the number of customer by gender male is always less than female, and the highest number of customer is on the level of education level on graduate.
And chart 2, the number of customers based on marital status and income category. So from this chart, there are 3 categories for marital status, which are divorced, married, and single. For the income category also consists of various categories such as less than 40k, 60k until 80k, 40k until 60k, 80k until 120k, and 120k plus. We can clearly see that the number of customers increased when they had less than 40k for their income, especially single customers. Furthermore, single customers only can earn 60k until 80k for their highest income. We can also see roughly that divorced customers have the least income for all income categories compared to other customers. Married, and single were also like almost equally for all income categories. It is clear that the chart shows married and single customers will not churn from the bank because they have stable income to survive themselves and also with their family.
So now, we move to the chart 3, which about total of months inactive among the customers based on educational level and gender. This is a tree-map chart that shows the total of months inactive among the customers based on educational level and gender. Chart 4 is about credit card limitation based on educational level. This funnel chart explains how many customers that limit their credit card usage based on educational level.
Chart 5 is the month inactive within 12 months by the income category of the customer. For this graph, for those who have the highest month inactive within 12 months is come from the category of income that less than $40,000. Chart 6 is saying about the number of customers that purchase the benefit of card level by educational level. In this graph, the 3 education level are the most customers that purchase the most benefit of card category. Chart 7. is tell about the number of customers with their benefit of card category by income range. For this chart, for the last benefit of card category, we can see that for those from poor income are the most purchased compared to others.
Chart A is credit limit range based on customer age and income range. It has 5 income range, which is poor, middle income, low middle income, upper middle income, and rich. And the credit limit range have 3 group, which is high credit limit, low credit limit, and normal credit limit. For every have 3 group of credit limit, except for poor and lower middle income, which is only have low credit limit and normal credit limit. For poor credit limit, always usually the customer age at 44 use the low credit limit. That's all from me.
For the last chart, it explains about relationship with bank based on type of customers. There are 3 charts that represent 3 types of customers. For the first chart, which is a pie chart, explains about months on book based on income range. For histogram chart, it represents about month on book based on marital status. And for clustered bar chart, it explains about month on books based on educational level.
And from this, we also can see the infographic from the chat.
Conclusion. Most bank churning clients come from those whose turnover is less than $40,000. Second is that very educated and rich people can maintain a relationship with the bank. And the last one, we can see that if the number of customers who turn to the bank increase, the profit that the bank gets to decrease. So, the manager should need to be more alert with all of these categories to prevent the number of customers that turn from the bank increasing in the future.
That's all from us. Thank you.